From chick to charming bluebird, the indigo bunting's journey is a feast for the eyes. Born with a modest brown appearance, the indigo bunting chick blends into its surroundings to stay safe. But as it grows, something magical happens. Bit by bit, its feathers transform into vibrant shades of blue, dazzling everyone who catches a glimpse. The indigo bunting's cry is a sweet melody that fills the air, a signal of its joyous transformation. Around 3 months old, the bunting's feathers are almost fully blue, and it starts to venture out more confidently. By the time it's an adult, its stunning blue plumage makes it one of the most striking birds in the wild. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more wondrous wildlife journeys.